Everybody, it's Stu. In this video, I'm going to show you how to bottom load the window film on a 23 CRV. These are the 6th generation, so I'll show you all the tools as well as the process. So let's get right into it. Okay, we're going to show you how to remove the sweep here on this 23 CRV. Now on this CRV, you actually do not need to take the entire panel apart. All I'm going to do is I'm going to use my prying tool. I'm going to get in behind this door card here, just kind of twist, and that's going to loosen up the top. From here, I'm just going to pry it back. Once I've got this pried open, I'm going to just use my tool once again. Get underneath this. And this will lift the sweep. Once I get the sweep loose, I can go ahead and just remove it. And we're going to go ahead and just sit this down. I'm going to just go ahead and put some slip on this glass. I already have my pattern all cut out, so I'm just going to go ahead and set this on the glass. The first thing I'm going to do is I am going to go on to the inside, and we're just going to clean the glass one more time. This will be the last time that I clean before the install. Go ahead and squeegee, making sure that we overlap 50-50, not missing anything. My easy reach tool, just sweep my sides as well as my bottom. Now from here, we're going to apply a lot of slip. I definitely want my film to be sliding well. If it sticks, it'll probably cause me to fail and have to do this again. So we're going to just use a lot more slip, especially on the bottom where we can't see, because that's where we're going to be tucking film in. So we can go ahead and go to the outside now. We're going to go ahead and pull the entire liner off. You can just go pull it straight down, just like so. And now we're going to apply slip here again. From here, I'm going to grab near this B pillar, and I'm going to actually go and cradle my film just like this. And we're going to bring it to the inside. We're going to start with this area closest to the A pillar and kind of coming at an angle, about a 30-degree angle. We're feeding it down slowly. And as we're doing that, we're just managing film. Now I'm kind of careful with the top of my film here. I don't want to be touching the door card. So now that I've got this in here, once I've cleared this side, I can go ahead and just tuck my film in. As you can see, I never rolled my film over either the paint or this top edge. I actually waited till my film was much lower before I rolled it over. Once I've already got to this point, now it's real easy. I just have to line it up exactly how I want my film to position itself. We're going to keep a nice, even light gap all the way across, but one that's consistent on both sides. Uniformity is key. And it is also the area that your clients will see the most, so you definitely want to line that up correctly. I'm going to start with just my light squeegee, and that's just to get rid of some of the water. We're not locking it in place yet. That actually gives me the opportunity to kind of shift my film some more and just double check my alignment. Once I like that, I'm going to go ahead and come back with my Blue Max. This time we're going to apply a little bit more pressure down on our film and extract all the water behind. Once I'm here, I'm just going to wipe my glass real fast just so I kind of see what I have going on. I like the way it's looking, so I'm going to go ahead and just roll my window all the way up. I'm going to just use my easy reach quick first. And now we're going to roll the window all the way up. From here, I just have this bottom side. Now I don't have a gasket now in my way since we took the sweep out on the bottom load. So the nice thing is I can just squeegee straight down. I'm just getting all that water out from behind the film. That's going to allow the film's glue to grab onto the glass. Now this corner is really small, so I kind of have to use my easy reach to squeegee that water out since I can't fit my Blue Mags back there. Squeegee my size. I'm gonna just take my microfiber towel, real gently clean my glass. I'm gonna go back to the outside. We're gonna do the same thing. We're just gonna clean our glass. And I'm looking for a few things here. I just wanna make sure that I have not left any light gap on this side or this side. I'm gonna inspect for contamination. If everything looks good, then this is ready to go back to the client. And that's how you bottom load the 6th gen Honda CRV. If you get any questions, let us know.